Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, December 19th of 2019. Remember, boys and girls, tomorrow is the last day of school before winter break, and then you do have a couple of weeks off and come back on January 6th. So I hope all of you have a wonderful holiday, and we'll look forward to you coming back for sure on Monday, January 6th. But until then, you still have 2 more days of school, so let's make sure we make the best of it and enjoy every minute of it. Speaking of enjoying every minute of it, Math Club. So I've heard great things about Math Club happening after school, so all the students who are participating in Math Club, great job. I hope you're applying those math facts and division and also multiplication. I hope you've been working on your addition and subtraction facts too. Don't forget about those. But it looks like everyone's having a great time in a very well attended Math Club event. And that will be happening after school today. For our December birthdays, we have one birthday to announce today. That would be Logan Tracy. So happy birthday to you. And then a couple other birthdays to announce during break, I should say. We have Jocelyn Lowry and Madison Thompson. Those are both on December 26th. And then on December 30th, Autumn High. Happy birthday to you then on your birthday on December 30th. I hope all of you have wonderful December birthdays. That would conclude our birthdays for the month of December then. So all of you have a birthday in December, you get 2 gifts. What's wrong with that? You get a holiday one and a birthday one. That's a great thing. For our lunch choices today, we have beef and cheese nachos, garlic cheese flatbread, and turkey and cheese sandwich. And today I have a short video that's going over the gift of giving. So it'll be a little bit longer than what we normally do, but it is a good message behind it.
Hakim! Hakim!
That is my atuk. Always making sure I get to school on time.
Oh ya.
My atuk likes to help people.
Sini ya.
And it seems like everyone is his friend.
Boleh ya? Ini sampai cucu lah, boleh. Oke ya. Bye bye. Apaan, Mas?
He always notices when someone needs help. He says that giving to others makes us a better person.
Baik, Encik. Anak sekolah. Okey.
Good morning, class. Take out your math textbooks and turn to page 27. Today we're going to be doing fractions, which is very, very important. So I want all of you to listen to me very carefully today. Okay? Hakim? Okay. Pay attention. Okay. I guess Atuk is why I started noticing people too. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. One $4. Sometimes my Ato does strange things.
Enggak. Mat, oi. Apa hal? Belum habis lagi.
But it is always to help other people.
Cuma try ni, Mat. Mudah-mudahan boleh. Pelan-pelan. Tengok. Kan boleh. Alamak. Kan aku jalan dulu lah. Ni budak-budak di sekolah. Okey. Oh, ni nyata angkat. So, ini kasih lu pakai. Kau taruh banyak-banyak.
I guess he likes making others smile.
Jadi lu sini tak sakit. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Then, okay, good morning, class. Okay, everybody sit down and take out your math textbook. Turn to page 40, okay? See me after class. Nice for me. Sorry. No. We were talking about the math test just now. I don't know if I can ever be like Ato. Tunggu.
Mana?
Tunggu. Khairul! What you want? I brought for you something. Here. What's this? Oh, wait, I forgot to write something. Here. Huh? You bought for me a new textbook? Thank you, Hakim. It's okay.
Hakim!
I think I need to go. Bye. Thank you, Hakim. But I think I'm starting to understand why Ato does what he does.
At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and I have some students here from 4th grade from Mrs. Williams' class. So please make sure that you're standing and you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a great day today. Enjoy your Thursday. Remember, only a couple days off before break, but we're glad to have you here, and it's a great day to be at Perry.